Hello guys, I'm Overwatch Master and I'm doing a giveaway of 50 loot boxes in Overwatch. If you want to enter the giveaway, subscribe and comment down below anything you want.
I think we've encouraged it.
Okay,
this is our map.
wrong chat, geek.
Alright, serious time. Let's not throw. Soldier, Anna.
They're charging. Moon.
Speeding.
Fuck.
Anna one.
Doable! Winnable! Ryan, woo!
Ryan,
Let's
one
go.
shot.
Guy's dead.
Hog above, hog above, hog
Bubble
above.
two.
Sorry over.
Bubble you, Ryan.
Whoa, wait, sorry, or Anna behind.
No.
Got him.
Killer
Hog
behind.
above, hog above.
Dirty chill.
Where's Hog? I'm going up top.
He's up top.
I'm going.
He's going down right now.
He mistook, mistook. Come. He's low, 1 HP, nice.
Dead.
Ooh.
Dead. I have bubble ready.
Okay, I have ult, and they don't have shield.
They have a Genji now.
Wait, yo, my show's super
Their Ryan's
high.
1 HP. Solo. Okay, well.
I have bubble ready for you,
Alright,
Ryan.
high energy. Genji on me in the back.
I'm speeding.
I got killed by Genji.
Bubble you, Ryan.
Ryan's low. I got him.
Lucio low.
And,
I need heals.
I need heals. I'm gonna have shatter soon. Give me a life. Oh my god.
huge shatter, huge. Anna's, or Zarya's low. I'm on point.
Two behind Narc.
Genji's low.
Lucius one. A monkey.
No.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
shot.
Okay, we lost. The mentality. I'm gonna hook. Oh, he bubbled.
I'm gonna play strike.
Dash. Ninja do dash.
I'm on him. He's low. I got him.
Dead.
Let's go. Walk in.
I'm somewhere.
Bubble you, Ryan.
I'm going aim, boys. Dead.
Winston behind you.
Right shutter. Nice.
Ryan is low. 1 HP. Ryan. 1 HP. Kill him.
Bubble you, Ryan.
Killable.
Grabbing.
Rainer is one behind.
Oh, no
I don't know about
way.
that grab. Okay. Swapped it.
Anna's up top.
I'm going upper. I have high noon. We have nothing to combo.
I'm
We're
gonna-
gonna charge, okay, again. Point aim, boys.
Nice.
Sorry, low.
Winston behind. He fell.
He used bubble.
I have bubble again.
I fucking won. I'm walking up.
My pin is in 1 second.
I missed.
I got pin. Help me.
Oh, boost you.
Minutes left. They're low.
Yeah.
Ryan one.
He's low. 1 HP.
Genji back alleys. Oh my god. No.
No.
Alright. I'm not
Nice.
even
We
getting
even make
done,
it.
dude. Oh shit.
What? How do you have it? He's low. Kill him. So
Oh
low.
my god.
I hooked him. Kill him. He's low. Nice.
Alright, we're at last point, team.
He probably has shadow again.
Yeah, he definitely does. Wow.
I'm gonna have grab.
Mapping speed.
What? Who's done? Okay.
Above.
What's
just-
What do you have?
yeah,
What do you have,
Go for a
Zarya?
speed
What do you have,
shatter.
Zarya?
I'm gonna
He heals
grab.
up top. He
Okay,
heals
okay.
up top.
I have ult.
Ready?
I'm pushing him away.
They're shatter.
Dead.
I'm pushing them away,
You're
kinda.
winning.
The Ryan's and Anna.
You're even. You're losing.
Oh,
They wasted.
Andre.
Just
I'm
yeah,
going
still
Tracer.
point. They wasted a lot of ults. You can
I
just
tried to
grab it.
stall it. I stalled it as long as I could.
Yeah, we don't have to go in yet.
They have a McCree now.
Wait for 6. Okay, I'm gonna grab this when we're 6.
Get on.
Get on
I'm
point.
here. I'm waiting for grab.
Yeah, I don't have
I'm
speed.
now.
I don't have double.
Their shield's almost broke.
His shield is dead. Like.
Get your speed. How much speed?
2 seconds. 1.
Okay, wait. Speed now.
No.
Grab. Huge. Wait your speed.
I got him. No beat.
Don't use more. Stay on
Yeah,
point.
yeah,
Stay on point.
Nice job.
Okay, they have a lot of
Almost got
Yo,
back.
we gotta like do speed shatter. I think that's like our only play. Can you help me?
Yeah, go for speed shatter.
You get in there, man?
What? Go for speed shatter.
Let them come over here and just beat me.
No
okay?
sleep. Nice, we're gonna pick.
Nice.
Try to stagger more picks. I have bubble.
I have ult. I have ult.
I can
You want me to visor? Visor or no?
I don't know.
bubble tracer.
No,
Not
they're
yet,
running
not
better.
Alright.
I have ult in 5.
Should I go for the
Are you
speed
close?
shatter? You
I'm
guys
dead.
gonna like
Fuck.
I
nano
got picked. We have to
Alright,
use.
let's go for it now.
We have the speed shatter.
Okay, okay. You ready?
Nah.
No. I got two.
Two.
Anna dead?
Still
Fuck,
winnable.
they got
I'm
bubble.
here, I'm
Run slow,
here.
run slow, run slow. They have no
Do they have
mana.
bubble?
Yeah,
shatter it.
full.
I ulted.
Genji low?
Genji got me.
Nice healing.
Careful with shatter.
Genji's low, Genji low.
I'm gonna die.
70
She's full
health,
energy. We're feeding Zarya too hard.
No. Just stay on point.
Just
Keep
spamming.
going.
I'm feeding Zarya.
Oh no way.
I can't make it in there.
Okay, that wasn't too
That wasn't
shabby.
making it anyways.
That wasn't too
Yeah.
Let me play
shabby.
Anna.
That's not a terrible hold. 115.
Oh, really? Oh,
You
that was
said- oh,
chat.
wait,
You
you said-
okay?
that's
Yeah.
discovered.
That he just blames the chat after he makes his own
Go to my
comment.
chat. I have proof.
Just blames it.
Ryan's low.
Speeding.
Ryan's low.
They use nade. Kill Ryan. Just kill Ryan. Kill Ryan.
Kill the Ryan, kill the Ryan.
He's still low.
I got
He's
4
still low.
people on me.
He's low.
I need help.
How is he not
He's
dead?
one shot, he's actually one
I got him.
shot.
I got him.
Okay, nice, good
Soldier
start.
above. Soldier above.
Anna.
And on our team, and on our team.
I mean,
Soldier low. Soldier can't heal.
They're pushing me. They're
One
I got him, I got
minute.
him.
Lucius one shot. Lucius one shot.
Lucio on statue, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, come on, game. Really?
I'm at 70.
Damn it. I have a monkey again.
Hog low.
Negatory.
They have 4 tanks.
Let's go again.
Alright, I'm speeding in.
something's flanking.
There's a
We're
Lucio
out.
on me.
Oh my god.
Who are we on? I have no fucking idea what's happening.
Zarya on point, Zarya on point, Zarya on point.
I'm dead.
Shit.
I have ult.
At least we have grab.
Do we have grab?
Premix just died, dude.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Okay, just
Oh wait, do we? Wait.
grab blade.
Yeah,
No, we
I
don't.
Never mind. You have nano soon?
No, I used
He
it
just used it,
because
yeah.
I wanted him to farm
Okay.
grab.
Okay.
Close. 72.
Got the Anna.
Nice. Let's
Oh.
walk in.
Nah, speeding in.
I have shatter, guys.
Hawk flanking.
Try to break the shield.
They're disengaging.
Holy shit, they just
Are debuffed?
keep three.
You guys just disengage. I'm done.
I know, dude, they're winning, dude.
they won.
won, dude.
When do you have grab or anything?
82.
Oh, I
No,
died.
no, this Lucio.
I shattered it here.
We're winning.
Yeah.
Somehow.
No! Kill
Losing.
Anna 1 HP. Anna 1 HP. Oh.
We can bleed in.
Don't fight. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, no.
No.
Careful with the shatter.
Nice!
Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
fuck, dude, this guy is insane at home.
Alright, your confidence is at an all-time low, baby. I need to
Oh, yeah, one.
fix that.
Alright. Somebody check this guy's PC.
Yeah, this guy.
He's got a hook bot.
This guy's
He
insane.
just missed me. He just missed.
How, dude?
He's trying to throw you off.
You just grabbed in this fight.
He missed
Like
again.
that.
Huge shatter by them. XD. Dead.
We're
I'm
winning.
gonna get shatter here.
We're winning.
Speed me.
Oh,
It's
Hog on
winnable!
the right, hog on the right.
Winnable!
Monkey on cart.
I'm a monkey.
monkey behind. Monkey behind.
Monkey behind.
Hey,
Debuff. Debuff. Monkey debuff.
Monkey's
Oh,
low.
Shatter, you shatter.
Huge, it's huge, it's ginormous,
Colossal.
it's galactic, it's galactic. Good
What,
shit.
dude? What? They're gonna switch up their comp. Someone reap.
3 on cart. Nice shatter, just fucking huge.
Trying to see
Huge
what they
plays.
switched to.
Just fucking
No switches.
galactic.
Wow, no switches. Yeah, no switches.
They got some balls.
The
Ryan's
Kephree's
already
carrying? Alright, now you're trolling yourself.
I'm just gonna charge again.
They're gonna grab. They're gonna grab.
Oh fuck.
This guy is literally listening to Miso in his house. You have grab soon? Oh, I can win this.
Yeah, that's definitely.
It's
They're
winnable!
low.
I'm fucking trolling.
Zarya's one shot. Never
I've
mind.
seen you weenies before. We're coming back. We're almost back.
Wait, it's actually winnable. Come back. I'm just stalling them using. They're all using cooldowns, like a lot of
We're back.
cooldowns.
We're back in car. We're on car. We're on car.
Alright. They don't have bubble for a little.
I'm almost there.
But they
Careful, we
have that.
shatter.
Sleeping.
I shatter again.
Kill the hog. Kill the hog. Kill the hog.
Whoa, I'm
I
on
got-
Winston. I'm on Winston.
I blocked
Solo,
one.
Crushed. Go. Kill Zarya. Zarya, right side. Zarya, right
He has
side.
no ammo, he has no ammo.
Rainer, Rainer.
I'm on Ryan. Dead. I'm on Zarya. Crushed. Absolutely destroyed. Got him.
I got her.
All right, we
They
have
have Kree now?
a creamy Zarya ult. We have a creamy
I
combo.
have my ult.
Set up.
I'm
Your Zarya ult. Hide it here. Hide it.
I'm ready.
I'm at 83 on mine.
Nano me. I think we should.
No.
actually
I
get
have
nano.
pulse.
You can nano
I
me.
don't know.
But I
I'm gonna
can-
go Reinhardt so you can.
I
I
can
can
see
feel my
86.
shatter. I can feel my
Okay.
shatter.
Okay. Yeah.
Go. My god.
Oh,
They're all deep up. They're all deep
it's
up.
Colossus. Disgusting.
And on car. And on car.
Absolutely ginormous.
Ryan.
Okay, we have Beyblade. Set that up. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
hydration.
no.
Don't
You
say
lost
anything.
Ana.
I'm gonna have shatter in this fight.
You're 5v6. We don't know.
Yeah, but it's, I don't know. We can. It's
Okay,
winnable, I
just
think.
Start. Are you here, baby bay?
Chuck, get ready to drop the beat when I do this.
I'm doing it now.
Going in, boys.
Genji's low. I crushed. I got Genji.
Block.
Nice. Huge shatter. Kill him. There
Any
you go.
heals, any heals.
Lucio.
Got him.
I got Anna.
Healing. Oh my god.
McCree right side.
Where is he?
Kill Lucio. Nice.
McCree low. Absolutely crushed. That is colossal. That is just colossal gameplay from
Ana is the
iRemix.
solution.
Kappa, I carried.
I
Not
would
sure
wall
this
them if
shit.
I was in position,
Bando's
but
good too.
someone.
Yeah.
Someone's toxic.
No, just ward them and stash.
Okay.
Let's have a colossal round. A gigantic one. Nice.
They're walled.
No.
There's 5 walled. 5 walled.
Slip Ana.
Oh.
Slip Ana.
They're sleeping. He got woken up.
This is winnable. It's doable.
Let them push to us and I'll.
Don't be scared. It's doable.
Agility's low.
Agility's left side.
Seagull one.
He mistook.
No hook. I'm speeding.
DSP Stanky is killing himself in here. Absolutely crucial.
Easy game.
Chase him.
Not that
He
guy.
mistook.
Throw
I
again,
blinked
throw
it.
again.
Go rush these guys. Kill him. Absolutely
Don't trust-
huge kill.
It's not
Huge
the-
kill.
Remix,
Get back.
baby.
Remix. Now you're trolling at this point. Baby Bay, when do you have ult? This is crucial.
The Ryan's
They're
wall
going
down
for
spawn.
They're going.
Baby Bay, when do you have ult?
I have ult.
Alright.
Baby, baby.
This could be-
McCree's deep up.
What is that wall?
Help.
What's happening?
I don't know, dude.
My-
Kill
Genji behind.
Mumu, no shield. Kill Mumu.
Moon. Crushed.
No.
Moon is crushed. Absolutely. Okay. Win. Winnable. Grim Reality on point.
And then
Nice. Shatter. Huge shatter. Nice. Grim Nice. Zariel. Fuck it. Go. Huge
Oh,
Zariel.
huge grab.
Huge.
grab.
Good job,
Absolutely
With data.
ginormous.
everyone. Amazing.
What the
Okay, now you're making me cringe, Kephrii. This kid's role playing at this point. He's finally lost his mind. Micromanaging a pro team? Question mark. Lol. What are you talking about? It's gigantic. It's just ginormous.
Not to me. LG. I'm fucking done, dude.
What did you just watch? Some quality ass high level Overwatch. You watch Kephrii play Mei. I mean, that's when you know the games are going bad.
Jesus.
Okay, if it was walling their spawn.
That was a monumental graviton at the end. That's a new word. A monumental.
Well, I almost saw the first point. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Like,
Extravagant.
Extravagant. Stippy, wanna play Minecraft? That's what Dante just asked? Come on.
Dante.
Well, this kid's a Minecraft YouTuber. We got
Yeah,
two
him and
Minecraft
Stimpy.
YouTubers in my chat asking to
Yeah,
play
him and
Minecraft
Stimpy.
with each other.
Someone said in my
Biting
chat,
your
"Don't
nails?
cheat.
I bite my.
Don't
Yeah,
cheat
this.
my clan."
Oh,
Yes,
no,
I-
come on.
yes, I bet.
It's your clan, he just said. Now you need to stop. I'm on clan
I don't
selfless.
have shield. I don't have shield.
Oh, Genji defense, eh?
I can't.
I'm just going in.
They're playing like pussies. They're holding S. Go in. These guys are scared. They're nervous.
Going in, boys.
They're shaking. They're
Genji,
quivering.
behind
Moon, he's quivering. He's quivering. He's half. He's quivering.
me. Genji, I need heals
Sorry on
back.
me, sorry on
Heal
me,
them back,
sorry
heal
on
them
me.
back.
Hey, look at him. He's in hotel. Kill Zarya. Zarya, absolutely out of position. This is monumental gameplay. There you go. Moon, he's quivering. Look at him. He's holding S only. He's dead. Absolutely crushed.
Stop that now, guys.
Anna in the side house.
Kill.
Knock behind.
Lucio's low. Oh wait, he's not dead.
Roadhog?
I hooked him. He's dead. Absolutely crushed. I'm on Lucio's crush.
You're
Dead.
not.
Genji coming in. Genji coming
You
in.
don't have heals,
Nice,
guys.
Hammer.
Nice.
I'm slept. Anna
That
on
was
the left.
monumental gameplay, boys. We had
Come on,
Moon
2 HP,
quivering.
help.
Moon was quivering
Easy
that
game,
fight.
We did it, boys.
Easy.
They were quivering, holding S that whole time. So we gotta assert dominance
But
there.
you guys are not that heavy after all.
Oh my god.
I remix. I carried you. Shut up. Okay, that was toxic. My bad.